welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is About That Mama Life, and in my channel we do videos like beauty and skincare, like the one we're going to talk about today. I do tutorials, recipes, DIY, just lots of fun stuff. So if that type of content interests you, then consider subscribing to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about my DIY eyelash extensions. I've been doing this for a couple months now. I recorded a previous video, and since then I've really nailed it down to my everyday ride or die, easy, quick process. So I go ahead and put my lashes on. I wear them like that for weeks, and they last, they're comfortable, and they look great. I get a ton of compliments, and it's very quick and easy. So if you want to see how I put my eyelash extensions on, then let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I use and what I've been loving to do my eyelash extensions. So these lashes are the Kiss lashes, the foam ink lashes in the style Gala. They are my ride or die everyday favorites. Now they're fluffy, they're long, they're very dramatic, but I'm able to wear them every day and I love them. This is another ride or die for me. Now this is actually a jewelry case. It has a section for my tools, my glue, and then this little compartment is where I keep all my individuals. Now these are all the cut up Gala lashes from the last time I just took. I was looking for a lash case that would hold everything and I really couldn't find it, so I was able to find this in my jewelry case. So I'll just prop this open here, and this is what I'll use to put everything on. I have just a little pair of beauty scissors, and this is what I'll use. This is just a strip lash. It's the black adhesive lash from Kiss. I've really been loving. They also make this in a clear, which I use as well. I've just been really liking the black. This is my third pair. We are not going to go with these today. I know them, love them, wear them all the time. But today we're going to try out a new lash. These are by Bethalon. I got these to review and I want to try them out today. They look really long and lush and soft, and they're the foam ink collection as well. So we're going to try them today. Now what I do is I cut. These are already separated a little bit, so it'll be easy to cut up. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these up into individual pieces, and then we're going to glue them on with the strip glass glue, but we're not going to glue them onto our eyelid. We're going to glue them onto our lash as close to the base of the lid as we can. So I'm going to zoom you in and show you guys how I did that. I'm going to start by grabbing a lash, and I'm just going to trim the band that's hanging off a little bit, so the actual band piece is as small as possible. I'm just going to take my tweezers, hold the lash, get my glue ready. I've gotten this down to a science where I can do like both sides of my lashes in like 5 minutes now from scratch. Blow on it for just a second. I'm going to start outside edge in because I don't like my lashes to come all the way into the base. It just annoys the inner eye. So I'm just going to put them out into like 80% of the way in. I just set it on to my lash, and I'm going to let it just dry before I touch it. And we're just going to continue on that way, grabbing the next long piece, trimming the edge of the band so nothing extra is hanging off. Grabbing it with our tweezers, stamping a little bit of glue. And sticking it. Okay, I've got one side on. These have a lot of curl to them. They are definitely not going to be like an everyday lash, but they're dramatic, they're fluffy, and they're like curl. I really like them. They're very pretty. So what I'm going to do is just let the glue kind of get tacky, and then I'll go back in a minute and just kind of clamp them down to my lash. For now, let's do the other side. Okay, so now that the glue has had some time to dry, I'm going to take my tweezers and come in, and I'm just going to kind of clamp down the eyelashes to my eyelashes. And I feel like that just really makes everything set into place. Give your glue enough time to dry. You can see the side's still sticky and it's like sticking to my tweezers. It's not going to be as easy. Okay, so here are my lashes. They're on, they're looking good, and I like them. They have a lot of curl. They're very pretty, and they feel very comfortable. Once the glue dries, it'll be a little bit sticky. Sometimes my bottom lashes will stick up to the top, but here in about an hour or two, once the glue dries, it'll just feel really natural. I sleep in these, I wash my face in these. I'd say every few days a lash might start to come off and I'll just pop a little glue on it, pop it back on, but I'll wear them for 2, sometimes 3 weeks before the lashes just start to go crazy directions and lose their curl and just start to look not so good. And then I'll toss them and cut up another pair and throw them on. So I'm just loving these. I've been wearing eyelashes every day since I started doing this. It's very comfortable. I get a ton of compliments and it was easy. It took me all of 5 minutes to pop them on, and they'll last me a good couple of weeks. Any of the extra pieces I cut up, I just store in my eyelash case, and I just throw that in my gym bag in the morning. And then if I need to adjust them, pop them on, I do that. I keep another extra thing of glue in my purse just in case an eyelash comes awry and you need to pop it off and readjust it. But it takes no time at all. It's very easy, it's very comfortable, and I absolutely love them. So that was it. What did you guys think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Are you gonna try it? Please comment below. Let me know what you do, if you do anything different, if you tried this, how you like it, and what is your go-to ride or die eyelash. I'm very interested to know. Again, if you enjoyed this video and this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel. You can watch another one of my videos here, and you can subscribe to my channel here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.